Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I want to show you how we can calculate Hartigan index, which is an internal cluster validation technique. And for this task I want to use a module called refer. So let's get started. So at first as usual import required libraries. So I want to use the refer I just mentioned. Import refer, print. Just remember to check the module version. Okay, so this is our refer module version 0.7.0. Let's import few more functions from this module. Refer.cluster import k-means. From refer.string import iter array. From refer.metrics import Hartigan. This is what we want to Hartigan index, so we have to import the Hartigan from this. So sorry, I forgot to mention cluster. I think we just need another library from sklearn dot datasets. Import make. Okay, so these are our required libraries. Now let's create the dataset. So features, make classification, in samples to 50, in features for random state 0. So let's check the shape. 250 samples, 4 features. Okay, now perform k-means. Considering 2 and 3 clusters. Okay, so k means 1, k means from refer module, not sklearn. So n clusters will be 2 and seed 0. Now we have to do another for 3 clusters. 3. So we have performed k means considering 2 and 3 clusters. So now it's time to calculate Hartigan index. We can in short we can call it HI. So metric 1 Hartigan, metric 2 also Hartigan for 2 different cluster sets. Okay, now for I, we do not need the labels because we didn't generate the labels from here. Okay, iter array features, k means 1, k means 1 dot learn on I. So it will iterate through 250 each sample with 4 features one by one. That's why learn one. And from these we will get the labels. So k-means dot predict 1 I clustering metric 1 dot object I read on means on dot centers. So control C, let's run it. Oh, sorry, mistake. Now we want to do the same for the 3 clusters as well. This will be 2 2 2 J 2 k means 2. K means 2. This will also be k means 2. I hope it's okay. Okay, so finally you have to calculate the Hartigan index. So Hartigan index for 2 clusters. Round clustering metric dot get. We have to call the get method for getting, because we have already set it to Hartigan, so we will get the Hartigan. This will be 5 decimal points. Okay, so we also have to do it for the 3 clusters. This will be 3. This will be 1 and this will be 2. I hope everything is okay. Out of event. Oh shit. This is 2. Let's run them again. Okay. Oh, finally everything is okay. So we got on 0.29 for 2 clusters and 2.10 for 3 clusters Hartigan index. Okay, so higher value of Hartigan index means better clustering. So this is higher 2.10, this is lower, so 3 is better than 2. In my previous video I also calculated several metrics using cluster features module using the same dataset, if I am not wrong. So I think in that case also we got 3 better than 2. So this is how we can calculate a Hartigan index, which is an internal cluster validation technique, and we calculate this using this refer module and check this version. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.